How to create and print a bookmark in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create and print or make the format of printable bookmarks into Canva. So you are going to head over canva.com, sign in for an account, and this is something that is mandatory. So once you are here, we are going to click on the search bar at the top. We are going to type in bookmark. So we are going to type in that and search for it. Basically, you're going to get the samples or templates that are available on Canva. Here we have thousands and thousands of templates, and also you can create one from blank. So you can go ahead and select one of these. As you can see, we have some top tiers or well-designed bookmarks. You can go ahead and use one of them, modify it, and do as much as you want, and then you are going to print it. So I'm going to select this one because I like the color that is used. So I'm going to delete some of the effects in here. So I'm going to delete these. So we are going to add some elements. I like this color. So what I'm going to do here is to add some elements. Like here, let's see here some shapes. If we have some shapes in here. So I'm going to add a shape, and that shape is going to be something like that. I'm going to put it just like that, and I'm going to duplicate this shape into this specific area. So we are going to change the colors. I'm going to change the color of this one to something unique, or that will go well with the color that we have chosen. Something like that is going to be sufficient. Now, what are we going to do is to add from the elements here. Let's say here, kids. We're going to see the graphics. I'm going to add, for example, here, this specific, as you can see, let's say kids bookmark. So we are going to create one. And then we are going to add this, minimize it because it is going to be a little bit big, of a big format. So I'm going to put this little girl here. Says good. And we are going to add more. So I'm going to add something like that. Boom. I'm going to incline it a little bit. So just like that. And I'm going to put them just here. And what I am going to do, then we are going to maybe add something. Here we have holding a panel. So we are going to add a text, and that text is going to be something that we need. I'm going to see here the font combination and see if something is going to be interesting for our case. So maybe something like this. I'm going to try and lead it. Here we are going to put here read where reading, for example, is, for example, like that. Genius is a, for example, a genius idea. For example, we are going to make it a little bit like that. So we are going to try and put it just like this. So let's try that. I think that this is better. So I'm going to try and make this white so it will not be in vain, just like that. And now how we can make it printable. So we have created the bookmark. I'm going to click on share, click on download. Then we are going to see that the file type selected is going to be PDF print. So we are going to download it as a PDF print. Then you are going simply to print it. So we are going to wait for download. I'm going to open the file. And from here, you are going to see the print. Click on print and select your printer, and then you are going to simply print it right away. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.